Welcome to your easy English practice. Listen carefully, repeat slowly, and speak confidently.
At a coffee shop, talking about work-life balance. Daniel, it's been a long time. How are you?
Hey, Emma. Yeah, it's been so long. How have you been?
I've been good, just tired. Work has been busy, and I barely get any rest.
I know that feeling. My job has been crazy too. I work late almost every night.
Oh no, that sounds stressful. Do you even get weekends off?
I do. Sometimes I wake up already tired. It's like I never rest.
You need to take a break, Daniel. Rest is important.
True. My boss keeps sending messages, even on weekends.
That's so common these days. Everyone is always online.
You're right. What about you? How do you relax?
You should just turn off your phone sometimes. I usually listen to music or go for a walk. It helps me relax.
That sounds peaceful. I used to play guitar, but I haven't played for months.
You should start again. Music helps the mind.
Maybe I should. I'll play a little tonight after dinner.
I'm happy to help. We all need a reminder to slow down.
You always give good advice, Emma. I really needed this chat.
Exactly. Let's just enjoy this peaceful moment together.
You're right. Okay, no more work talk. Let's enjoy our coffee before it gets cold. Online shopping mistake. Hey, Emma, what's wrong? You look a little upset.
Hi, Daniel. I'm so frustrated right now. I ordered shoes online last week, but I made a mistake with the size.
What happened? And did they arrive today?
Yes, and they're way too small. I can't even put them on.
Oh no, that's annoying. Did you check the size before ordering?
Yes, but I guess I clicked the wrong one.
That happens. Can you return them?
I'm not sure. I've never returned anything before.
Usually, they send you a return label by email. Then you pack the item and send it back.
That's good to know. I'll check the email again.
No, it's quite easy these days. Online stores want to keep customers happy.
I hope so. I don't want to waste money.
Maybe you can reorder the right size after you get your refund.
Yes, that's my plan. Maybe this time I'll double check before ordering.
Yes, that's a smart plan. I once ordered a t-shirt that turned out to be pink instead of white.
Pink instead of white? That's hilarious. Yes, lesson learned. Online shopping needs patience.
Never again. Online shopping can be risky.
Deal. No more rush orders.
Exactly. Let's call this a small lesson for both of us. Perfect idea, Emma.
Talking about a viral video. Daniel, did you see that funny dog video that's going viral?
Which one? There are so many videos every day.
The one where the dog dances on two legs?
Oh yes, I saw it this morning. That dog is amazing.
Right? It looks like it's trained better than most people.
Me too. I even showed it to my little sister. She laughed a lot.
Same. It really brightened my morning.
True, but some videos are just boring. I don't watch those.
Yes, sometimes I post small clips on my channel.
Do you also try to make videos?
Not yet. I'm still editing it.
Really? Can I see it?
That's true. Some get lucky, others don't.
That's okay. Not every video becomes famous.
Oh, that would be awesome. You play really well.
I think I should try too. Maybe a video about my guitar playing.
Yes, practice first. Yes, let's record something fun together.
True, but I need to practice first. I don't want a funny fail like the dog video.
Who knows, we might be the next viral stars.
You're right. Okay, let's make a plan. This weekend we'll record something. Deal. Who knows? Maybe our video will go viral next week.
Planning a weekend trip. Hey Daniel, any plans for the weekend?
Not really, Emma. I was just thinking of relaxing at home.
Let's go somewhere, maybe a short road trip.
Like what?
How about the countryside? It's calm and green.
That sounds exciting. Where should we go?
Yes, fresh air, trees, and no city noise.
I love the idea. We can rent a small cabin and enjoy nature.
Car will be easier. We can stop wherever we want.
Great. Should we go by car or take the train?
I can bring snacks and sandwiches.
Perfect. I enjoy little adventures like that. What about food?
Yes, I checked online. There are some cute cabins near the lake.
Sounds delicious. What about staying overnight? Are cabins available?
Okay, let's book one before they're all gone.
Let's do it now. I don't want to miss a good cabin.
Agreed. Just the two of us will be peaceful.
I think just us. It will be more relaxing and quiet.
Of course, and some selfies too.
True. And we can take lots of photos for our social media.
Yes, same here. We need a real break.
Same here. I really need a break from work and city noise.
Done. This will be a perfect weekend.
Let's book the cabin and plan our little adventure. Me too, Emma. This weekend will be amazing.
Meeting a new neighbor. Hey Daniel, have you seen the new neighbor moving in?
Oh, really? I didn't notice. Let's go say hi.
Let's go and welcome her.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Do you need any help with the boxes?
Hi, welcome to the building. I'm Emma and this is Daniel.
Moving is always a little stressful, but once you settle, it will be much easier.
You're welcome. We live next door, so feel free to ask if you need help.
And the park is just a 5-minute walk. It's perfect for morning walks or jogging.
Yes, and there's a grocery store right behind the building.
Do you like coffee? There's a small cafe nearby that serves amazing cappuccinos.
Oh yes, I love that place.
Awesome. Don't worry, Sarah. You'll feel at home soon.
Of course, welcome again, Sarah. You'll love it here.
You're welcome, Sarah. Let's enjoy this neighborhood together.
Yes, let's make this a friendly neighborhood. Healthy eating challenge. Daniel, have you seen that new 2-week healthy eating challenge online?
No, what is it about?
Same here, but it's supposed to boost your energy.
That sounds hard. I love snacks and fast food.
Yes, no junk food at all.
Really? You mean we will eat healthy for 2 weeks?
Fresh fruits, vegetables, and no sugar drinks.
Okay, I'm interested. But what counts as healthy food?
Nope, we'll survive without them.
Wow, no pizza or burgers?
First, we plan our meals.
Okay, I can try. How do we start?
Yes, oatmeal with fruit. Healthy and easy.
Sounds organized. Maybe oatmeal for breakfast.
Yum, and fresh juice instead of soda.
And dinner can be grilled chicken or fish with vegetables.
We can track it with photos each day.
I like juice. This is going to be fun.
Exactly. We'll see real changes.
Good idea. Seeing our progress will keep us motivated.
Yes, healthy food, healthy mood.
I think I can do this. It will make me feel healthier.
Deal. Tomorrow morning we start.
Okay, Emma, let's start the challenge tomorrow.
Let's do it, partner.
Yes, together we can do anything. Healthy eating, here we come.
Phone battery problem at the airport. Daniel, my phone battery is dying and my charger is missing.
Hey, Emma, you look stressed. What's wrong?
No, I must have left it at home.
Oh no, did you bring a charger?
Oh yes, please, let's go find one quickly.
That's not good. Airports have charging stations. Let's find one.
Thank goodness, I was so worried.
Don't worry. I saw a charging station near Gate 12.
Found it. Let's sit here while it charges.
How much battery do you have now?
Only 9%. I was scared it would shut down.
Here it is. Looks like there are free plugs and USB ports.
Yes, smart idea.
Let's sit close and keep an eye on your phone.
You're lucky you found yours last time.
Airports can be tricky. Last time I forgot my charger, I had no map to the gate.
Right? Lesson learned.
Very. But now we are prepared. Battery is charging.
Good idea. Just in case mine turns off.
Do you want me to keep your boarding pass on my phone just in case?
Thanks, Daniel. You always think ahead.
Done. Now relax. You don't need to worry anymore.
You're a lifesaver.
That's what friends are for.
Yes, I'm buying a power bank right after this flight.
Definitely. Traveling without a power bank is risky.
Thanks again, you saved my trip.
Great idea. And don't worry, Emma. Your phone will survive until boarding.